welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Today's video is going to be me in my cozy sweater because it is so cold in Vancouver. I know West Coasters, we don't have it as bad as the East Coast people, but still, it's cold for me. Today's video is going to be all about my skincare focused makeup routine. Why? Because I find that skincare and makeup on my channel go hand in hand. I love makeup that looks natural, so if you saw me in person, I would want you to be like, oh wow, doesn't look like she's wearing any makeup. Is she wearing any makeup? That's what I love. I mean, obviously the no makeup look is one of my go-tos. I really love it. This look in particular, I will show you guys how to do today. It's a mixture of products that have skincare components in them, so they actually make your skin better. So if that's something that you guys want to see, just keep watching this video.
Grabbing my little glass dish I bought from the dollar store, I'm going to add a few drops of facial oil and a small amount of Mercier's Tinted Moisturizer and mix this with the Marc Jacobs brush and apply all over the face. I want to show you that skincare focused makeup can actually help your skin. The Tinted Moisturizer is a great alternative to full coverage makeup. Why? Because it's lighter and more breathable and our skin loves that. I always add a bit of facial oil during this step because Mama Chiu always taught me rule number 1 is to keep the skin hydrated with good oils and moisturizer to avoid dry skin and fine lines. To fill in my brows, I'll be using the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. Powder is easier on the skin than a thick pomade. For everyday wear, this powder is my go-to. Next up, concealer. I'll be applying NYX's Can't Stop, Won't Stop Contour Concealer for the under eyes and any problem areas. Since I went super light on the foundation, I don't mind going a little bit heavier on the concealer, but only in areas where I actually need it. Now it's time for bronzer and highlighter. My go-to travel duo is the Film Star Bronze and Glow palette from Charlotte Tilbury. The bronzer is a blend of pearl and pigment to help contour my face and mimic that sun-kissed skin, which I love, and a bit on the eyelids as well. Now for blush, I'll be using the Buxom Wanderlust blush in Seychelles. I love this blush because it's infused with primer which helps lock in luminous color. The one thing I can say about this blush that I absolutely love is that it feels silky smooth on the skin and applies that way too. For the eyes, I'll be applying the Nudestix Magnetic Matte Eye Color in Chocolate to the upper lash line. It's 24-hour wear, waterproof, and super easy to blend. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to curl them with my trusty Chiu Mirror Curler and apply a coat of the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara. I love how this makes my short and straight lashes look lifted and full. It's formulated with panthenol and ceramide R, which protects and conditions the lashes. For the lips, I'll be applying the NARS Afterglow Lip Balm in Clean Cut. It's skincare focused and infused with a blend of antioxidants to nourish and protect the lips. And then on top, I'll be applying the Burt's Bees Liquid Lipstick in Flushed Petal. This 100% natural formula contains conditioning apricot, babasu oil, shea butter, and essential fatty acids to maintain soft, happy, and pretty lips. Skincare focused makeup is the way to go, and now we're done. Also, you guys, just a quick reminder, there's still time left to enter for this huge hair giveaway. I'll list all the details on how to enter in the description box below.
So this is my skincare focused makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I personally love creating these sorts of looks because A, they're easy to wear every day, you don't look like you have a million pounds of makeup on, and it just looks natural, which is something I feel makeup should do for your skin. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you let me know, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below and let me know what other videos you guys want to see, whether it be hair, more makeup, more skincare, let me know. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon in my next one. Bye for now.